Telangana has a lot to offer when it comes to nature, from rock climbing to forests to wildlife sanctuaries and of course waterfalls. Here we are featuring three most beautiful waterfalls of Telangana. Pochera Waterfalls. The enthralling Pochera Waterfalls is located at a distance of 37 kilometers from Nirmal town. It is one of the most beautiful waterfalls and is also said to be the deepest of all the waterfalls in Telangana. Located in a secluded location, the fall is 20-meter high and it flows down with a great force. The source of this waterfall is the mighty Godavari which flows through the Sahyadri mountain range. The bed is much deeper and has the capacity to hold a very huge quantity of water. You can hear water roaring at a high pitch, exhibiting the power of nature. It is located at a distance of nearly 37 kilometers from Nirmal town, 47 kilometers from Adilabad town and 7 kilometers from both and accessible by road. The mighty waterfalls is 257 kilometers away from Hyderabad. Bogata Waterfalls. Bogata Waterfalls is one of the famous tourist sites in Jaishankar Bhupalpalli district and is located near Chikupalli village in Vajidu Mandal. This beautiful waterfall is located in the dense forest, a fall of which is 30 meters with a span of up to 200 meters across, dependent on the season. Swimming in the pool is a favorite activity, but one needs to follow the rules and regulations that are put up by the forest department. The area surrounding Bogata waterfalls is also a fantastic place for bird watching. There is a temple dedicated to Sri Bogadri Lakshmi Narasimha Swami adjacent to Bogata waterfalls. The upper part of the waterfalls can be reached from the temple. The waterfalls is located 23 kilometers from Yeduru Nagaram, 110 kilometers from Jaishankar Bhupalpalli headquarters, 123 kilometers from Warangal, 243 kilometers from Khammam, and 123 kilometers from Bhadrachalam. The mighty waterfalls is 280 kilometers away from Hyderabad. Kuntala Waterfalls. Kuntala Waterfalls is located in Adilabad district of Telangana, about 261 kilometers from Hyderabad. This beautiful waterfalls is hidden from the noisy external world and offers you the best of nature. It is covered with valleys, dense forests and chirping birds. After entering the area, you will have to walk around a half kilometer and you will reach a place where you find a series of 408 steps down to the waterfalls. Tourists can stay at hotels available for accommodation in Nirmal town or Nizamabad town.